say, man, $16 better tap in for it's goddamn too late. For real, not for real. Damn goddamn saying, boy. Today's video is just gonna be an unboxing. I just received the AMS Race heat exchanger. I'm probably one of the first ones on YouTube with this heat exchanger, and probably the first ones getting it installed on my Q50. I also just got in the carbon fiber M-style mirror caps, so I'll be installing those in the next few days as well. This Race heat exchanger is 3 times triple bigger than the OEM factory heat exchanger, and it also gives you 548 fluid capacity more than the OEM. So this is going to be a big upgrade to help it make it perform and not heat soak as much. So I'll be getting those installed in a few days. You better keep tapping in. It's your boy Hing Dallas. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these carbon fiber M-style mirror caps. Now, all right, open the box. I gotta go ahead and go through here. Like I said, I got these from Marky Bang on Instagram. I think this is information. Yeah, these dope. These are really good. These are really dope. So I got a lot of carbon fiber already on the front grille, on the diffuser, on the wing. So the mirror caps. And then I got the eyelids coming in. It's gonna be pretty cool, man. Definitely gonna make the car look a lot more aggressive as well. wrapping up today's video. We went ahead and received the carbon fiber M-style mirror caps. We also got the race AMS heat exchanger. I'm probably one of the first ones on YouTube with this race heat exchanger. I'm going to be getting it installed as well. It is 3 times thicker than the OEM heat exchanger. It gives you over 548% fluid capacity over OEM as well. So this is going to be a great thing to have on your car as far as trying to get that real performance out of it and make sure you get that real power and you don't heat soak all the goddamn time. I also want to let you know I upgraded a little bit on my vlogging setup. I bought a light for it and also bought a microphone. So hopefully it gets a better little voice quality and lighting as well. I also got the carbon fiber eyelids, should be coming in soon as well. And I'm also going to be purchasing the Hotchkiss sway bars for the front and the rear to help with the agility and help with some of that body roll the Q50 has. It's your boy Heem Dollars. You better tap in for it's goddamn too late. For real, nah, for real. You did what I'm goddamn saying, boy.